If you want to find the ultimate shortcut to a luxury aesthetic without the designer markup, this Boho designer luxury necklace earring set is a total masterclass in quiet luxury styling. Just look at the detail on these geometric charms. The KC golden plating gives it that rich, heavy luster you would expect from a high-end collection, while the khaki accents make it neutral enough to pair with anything from a professional blazer to a formal evening gown. The real benefit here is the weight and comfort. Often statement jewelry like this feels like a lead weight by the end of the night, but this zinc alloy set is surprisingly lightweight. You can dance through a whole wedding or power through a long party without even feeling it. It is no wonder this is a top-rated bestseller with a 4.9-star rating. The reviews are full of people saying they get complimented every single time they wear it because it looks so sophisticated and chic. You are getting that handcrafted boutique aesthetic delivered straight to your door. I actually got this set on Temu, and you can grab yours right now for an amazing price. Just download the Temu app and search my code COM93176 to get this exact set at a huge discount. Plus, all new app users who search my code COM93176 will receive an exclusive $100 coupon bundle to use on their very first haul. This is a massive benefit that helps you save big while upgrading your jewelry collection. Make sure to snag yours while it is still in stock, because this specific golden khaki combo is almost sold out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your jewelry glow up. Don't forget to search code COM93176 for that amazing price and your $100 coupon bundle.